What is up, guys? It's your girl Kelly, and I'm here today because I want to share something with you for all of my Feature Points fans and people who like the app. Points has a brand new feature, and I just found this, and I wanted to find out if you guys knew about it. Um, they actually have a live play, pay to play feature now, which is huge. I have been working on another app that is a more pay to play app that I'm going to be sharing with you guys soon. I'm really liking it. But at any rate, now we have a new pay to play and earn feature within Feature Points where you literally are going to get paid for playtime. As you see, these are the games that they have available. I'm assuming that they're going to add more um, as the other the app that I'm using, my other app has like pretty much unlimited games. So I'm assuming that they're going to become have more games as in the future. So in the meantime, basically, and this is my first time here, uh, guys. So basically, I'm assuming you're gonna get paid, uh, you know, for the actual the points for the actual time that you play these games live instead of you know uh, put the app in your phone and then get this many points. You're going to be able to, I guess, earn points on these apps long term and um, um, like just like with no cap. Now, like I said, I'm just finding this, so we're going to probably learn more later. And if anyone has any information of their experience, then you can let me know in the comments, and that'd be a big help for everybody. But I'm assuming that it's not capped with the points for the games that they allow you to play, which is pretty cool. So this says here, um, play now, 74 points in a minute. And right now they're having a special. They said that they have like I think double the points for these games. So basically, in as far as my thoughts are, I know in the other app, you go into the app and you pick a game that's available and you pretty much download it. But every time you want to play this game that's in your phone already, you have to go through the app to play it. So let's see if this is the same. So here's this. We're going to download this one, Dragon, whatever. Okay, so let's play now. I don't have this in my phone, so I'm for some we have to. Yep, we have to download it. We're going to install it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because I got a lot of stuff running in my phone right now. But I just wanted to get this. I wanted to record this real quick um, as I'm finding it. So this is like pretty exciting because Feature Points is cool for people who like it. As far as the versatility of it, this makes a little bit more versatile and give you more options to earn points. And like I said, if it's anything like the other app that I'm using, which I'll share in some days to come, that I'm enjoying, by the way, you earn um, just whenever, as much as you want. Every time you go into your phone, if you want to play, you always can earn on your favorite games, not just downloaded and then play a certain amount. Then you get a certain amount of points, and then that's all for it. You can actually enjoy a game, pick a game that you that you enjoy, and every time you want to sit down and relax and play that game, you're going to be earning points all along. I think that's pretty cool. It's a difference. So let's see. So hopefully we can get this downloaded. Anybody have any thoughts? Let's try this thing. Go ahead and leave a comment for us. And okay, so please allow Dragon access your advice. We will blah blah blah. By the way, I can't stand this type of games. I do like these type of games. I like more like puzzle games. Let's see. Dragon City. Has anyone played this yet? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna hit some buttons, blah blah blah. Okay, so I think it said a minute. Every minute you get a certain amount of points. So what I really want to know, now the question to me is, I want to see when I go back in, I'm gonna come out of here. Oops, darn it. I want to go back into, come on. I want to go back into feature points because I want to see if it's going to tell me that I'm already have this, that it's going to recognize that I already have this, have one of their games in my phone. Like I said, the other app, you can play your games like without going through the app, but if you don't go through the app, you won't earn any points. So I see that I had, let's go back real quick. Let's just see what our message is. Play earn, I earned 54 points, I guess, because I don't think I was in there for a minute, but as you see, I just earned points. And if you remember correctly, the points you can buy stuff with, like Amazon, Bitcoin, PayPal, which is awesome. It's money. So, you just earn your points and save up. I'm going to be showing you the other app later, which is, I'm really excited about this other app. Anyway, see how I can get out of here. So, okay, so let's go back here and see if it okay, so up here it says your installed app. So that's really cool. So then I can go in here again and I can play it. So again, yeah, so obviously it is in here. It does recognize it. And like I said, with the other app, do not go and play your games that you download without going through feature points, or because it won't recognize it. So you have to play your games through feature points in order to get to earn the points. So that's really, really cool. So you guys saw right in front of your eyes that I earned 54 points, so just like that. Like I said, I just wanted to quickly get this out here because it is huge. Really, really, really cool for feature points. I probably will use the app more myself now, if they put a game in there that I like, because I don't like that type of game we just played. I'm not into those at all. But I know there's people out there that like that sort of thing. So if you like that sort of thing, you literally can, every time you feel the want, you just, go through feature points, click on your button like that, and you could play your favorite game, whatever they have. But like I said, I'm sure they're going to add more as they go. And I'm excited to, see, like it says, for earnings points within 2 minutes. So yeah, so let's just try it out and leave comments. And I guess as we learn this new feature, we can come back and share our thoughts because it's brand new to me. So this is cool. This is really cool. Something new and feature points. New feature and feature points. Awesome. So if you like this video, please give me a subscribe. If you want to see more like this, I know I haven't put a lot of videos up, but I'm excited for to share this other app. It's coming up. I'm excited. I'm going to be dropping another video like this with this other app because I know that you guys want to like it.